Welcome back. This guys is episode number 10. If you've been following from the beginning, first of all, thank you. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, go back and watch from the beginning and see what all has happened with this build. It's been insane. It has been an absolute roller coaster. And so if you've been here from the beginning, I just want to thank you. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. And for episode number 10, we are actually going to start with some footage from Nissfest. We went down, it was down in New Jersey, got to meet some people, put some faces and cars to some names, and that's all I'm really going to say, because I got some footage I want to show you guys, so we're going to get right into that, and then after that, stick around, because I got some more stuff, and I need your help for what's going on next in the build. Let's get into it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. I hope you enjoyed that little clip from Nissfest down in New Jersey. We had a really smooth drive going down there. The car actually performed really well. Actually also got pretty solid gas mileage. I ended up doing about 1/8 of a tank of gas for every hour of driving, so I used just about a half a tank of gas for 4 hours, which was pretty awesome. Honestly, it was good to get down there and not blow through gas. So, but I hope you enjoyed that little clip from Nissfest. I got to meet a lot of really great guys. It was nice to put some faces to some cars that I've met over the internet. And a big shout out to Keanu. He let me stay down there with him. If you're watching this, man, thank you. Seriously, it was awesome getting to finally meet you, and it was really great to hang out, meet all the boys, and go to the show and just kind of chill. So hopefully I can make it back down there again. We'll hang out a little bit more. Hopefully have some more time, get out, do some cruising, get some photos. But I'm definitely planning on making it down there again, whether there's another big show left in this season down there or if I'm gonna have to wait till next season. But I absolutely plan on making it back down there. So, in that last clip from Nissan Fest, what you saw was a small pull, and what ended up happening is I popped a charge pipe. So, my intake pipe here, the little rubber piece that connects it to the intercooler, the pipe popped, which was fine to drive home on. We just weren't really creating boost. It was only able to actually hold about 7 pounds out of 14. It was a pretty weak 7 pounds. So um, it was no big deal for driving home. The car still drove fine, but no boost. So that's what's next on the list of things to fix. After that, what I kind of want to start working on is interior stuff because from this show it really showed me what I was kind of lacking on, and I think just judging from the cars that were there, I really did have a good shot at winning a trophy while I was there. But because of my lack of interior customization, I really missed out on a lot of points. So I'm thinking that's kind of where this build is going next. If you have any ideas for me, leave them down in the comments because I kind of want to toss up ideas. I have a couple of ideas on my own, but I love hearing input from you guys. So let me know what you think in the comments, and who knows, maybe I'll run with that idea, and we'll kind of build this car together with the interior because I've never been a big interior guy. So let's work on this one together. But first things first, got to get the car back into full running position, which is going to be fixing our charge pipe. So let's get into that, and then from there, we'll kind of see where this goes and kind of where I'm headed. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to try and show you guys where it popped. It shouldn't be too difficult to see. This is our intake section here, and if you look right down in there, you can actually see the rubber is popped off of this pipe, which then is a boost leak. So we're going to fix that. I'm not even going to pull the car into the garage because I don't think I need to get that intense into it. I think all we're going to have to do is pull the bumper back, maybe a little bit. I don't even know if I'm going to have to take this piece off, but that's kind of how we're going to tackle it. And worst comes to worst, I got to pull the car into the garage, but I don't think it's going to get that far. So first thing we're doing is we're actually going to take this whole little rubber connector off, and then we're going to connect it from this section of piping back up this way. It'll be a lot easier than trying to shove it back down into where the bumper is. So first thing we're going to do is disconnect these two pipes. There. All fixed. Just like that. Brand new. Now that we've gone through the footage from Nissan Fest and I chatted with you a little bit outside of the car, we're back in here at my little studio or whatever this is, and I'm going to actually kind of cut it here because I've got an idea for the interior. If you follow my Instagram, you've probably seen little snippets of it, but I'm not going to do a full reveal on what's actually going on until I have it done. And so when this video goes live, I'm working on it. It is going to look so good. With that said, there is still way more that can be done with the interior. So drop your ideas down below in the comments. And because I just want to see what kind of unique things we can do to this build to really make it stand out. Even custom fab ideas, I'm totally down to see how they'd fit within the build. So let me know. And again, just thank you guys. It's awesome that we're on to episode number 10 of this build series. There is still more to come. Get ready, because next week we are going to have initial reaction videos. I've got some people that I'm going to be taking for rides in the car, so we get to finally see some reactions from other people. Nobody has actually ridden in this car yet other than myself, so I'm really excited. Stick around, watch episode 11 that's coming up, because I think these reactions are just going to be awesome. So thank you guys. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, alright?